So in this battle royale, the only way to stop VP Sara Duterte is really to disqualify her, I guess.
Yeah, that is why there is an
Mm.
impeachment.
Okay.
And there is a threat to perpetually disqualify her.
Okay. If that happens, who is the opposition? Well, the Duterte opposition going to field?
Oh, there are several.
Well, would you mind? Who are in the
Sharing?
picture? Yes. Who are in the picture?
There's
Of
several
course, they
there.
mentioned Baste. They've mentioned Baste.
Yeah.
And I understand he's also polling in the senatorial.
Yes.
So he's in the top 5 or no?
Including Pulong is
Including
doing
Pulong.
well in
Uh-huh.
the senatorials.
So who else?
So there'll be someone. There'll be someone.
There'll be someone. Not limited to A. Duterte.
No, not limited. to
There's
Duterte.
Bongo, I guess, who's also doing
Let's
very
see.
well.
Let's see.
Ayaw mo talaga sabihin, Malu.
Oo, mahirap naman i-reveal,
Bakit?
no?
Bakit baka?
Hindi, mga kanyan, hindi pa naman measured talaga.
Baka naman yung ano mo, yung Publicus famous, I remember you famously saying against all odds and against all bets that Marcoleta would win. And
Yeah.
it was very incredible at the time you said that. And he
Yeah.
did win.
He won, right?
Right.
And that
So would
one,
he be in the picture in 2020?
Probably as
would he
Vice
be a
President.
shoo-in, huh?
probably as vice president.
Only.
Yeah. Or, I don't know. What Marcoleta showed in 2025 is that you don't necessarily have to have the money, but you need a parallel organization with the discipline to convert.
Mhm.
So what was done there was, yung first 45 days, he wasn't placing well.
Right.
But when local came in and everyone was asking for the endorsement of the Iglesia ni Cristo, and the question was asked, what did you do for candidate Marcoleta? Did you campaign? Did you, put the
Right.
posters, etc.? If you did not, you will not get the endorsement. If you did, there was the conversion. So imagine kay Marcoleta, the money came for the ads in the last 2 weeks.
Mm.
So these
So
are
the
all
money,
ground.
money, okay.
Yeah, these are all ground.
Pumasok
So
ang pera.
last 45 days was the conversion of Marcoleta. That's why people were saying, oh, wala na yan kasi for first 45 days he wasn't placing
Would you
well.
say it's even stronger now than during election day?
Yes, because
Now.
people are seeing the kind of leader he is and the kind of issues he's carrying. They're not popular issues, but certainly there are issues that people would love to have, like lowering the price for Meralco,
Right.
lowering the price of electricity, coming out with yung itong sa Blue Ribbon
Mhm.
na nagkagulo-gulo na.
Medyo counterintuitive si Marcoleta because you can't exactly say he's a very charming person.
He's not.
It's not,
He
right?
doesn't care.
Doesn't care.
He doesn't smile. He doesn't. I mean, that's his.
Borderline grumpy, right? No? But maybe that's the charm, would you say?
I
mean,
think
for
so. Ay, hindi.
somebody
At
in
saka,
PR and optics.
Lumalaban eh. Tumatayo at lumalaban. Whether yung issue ay hindi makakatulong sa kanya, pero sige lang ng paglaban.
Enough to pick Ping Lacson, who normally
Diba?
hindi na-pick.
Oo. We've seen
Oo.
Senator Lacson.
Nonchalant yan usually.
Oo, ngayon
Diba?
talagang
Oo.
para silang mortal enemies doon.
Grabe, you've seen
Nagsasagutan,
words coming out of
diba?
Ping that
Yeah.
normally never mo nakita
Yeah.
sa ni Ping.
And
Yeah.
and Marcoleta is a freshman.
Oh.
But they cannot treat him like how
Yeah,
Senator
normally bully them
Santiago would.
to silence.
Oo, freshman ka lang, tumahimik ka dyan. Hindi, kasi maraming alam at he went to the grinder ng House of Rep. So,
Given this scenario, there's really, by your estimation, nobody in the picture for the administration
right
or
now,
for the
I don't
yellow
see
opposition.
anyone.
So does this leave you with a feeling of smugness?
Hindi
With,
naman. Because she will have to undergo the impeachment.
Okay.
And he can be impeached or he can get out of it. When you get out of it, you're free. There is no more dirt to throw at her. Kasi tinapon na lahat ang dumi. Parang
Okay.
yung tatay, di ba, in-acknowledge niya, babaero ako, bastos ako, nagmumura ako.
Ano
Kaya,
pa?
di ba, kaya kaming mga political campaigners, ay, ano naman yun, sinabi na niya lahat. Pero
Hindi nagtira.
the reason why he said those things is, Ano pang gagawin yung itatapon sa akin na negative? Sinabi ko na lahat.